好，欢迎来到 HSK 汉语课堂。Hello, welcome to Chinese for HSK. My name is Yu Bin. Nice to meet you. 我叫于斌，很高兴认识你。For the first week of your Chinese study, we will talk about greetings and numbers. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to greet people and how to ask somebody's name in Chinese. Firstly, let's watch a short video and see what people say when they meet for the first time. Here come Xu Dong and Ting Na.
你好，
你好，
你叫什么名字？
我叫婷娜，你叫什么名字？
我叫旭东，很高兴认识你。
很高兴认识你。
Can't understand much? Don't worry, I'm sure you'll be okay at the end of this lesson. You may have known that the most commonly used phrase for greetings in Chinese is 你好, hello. 你 means you, 好 means good. So 你好 literally means you good. However, 你好 is rarely used among very close friends or families. 你 and 好 are both third tone. When two third tones are read in sequence, the first syllable turns into the second tone. So 你好 is read 你好 rather than 你好, although you need to mark it as third tone in writing. Follow me, please. 你好，你好。One day, we may meet up somewhere in the world. How do you greet me? You may say, 你好，于老师。And I could say to you, for example, 你好，Jenny. 你好，Lucy. 你好，David. To ask somebody's name in Chinese is 你叫什么名字? Literally, you're called what name? 叫 means to call. 什么 is what. 名字 is name. To respond, you say 我叫 followed by your name. Unlike English, the question word 什么 is usually placed after the verb in a sentence. Sometimes a noun, such as a person, a book, or name follows it. Now read with me. 叫什么什么名字我你叫什么名字？你叫什么名字？我叫。Let's do an exercise now. Match the Chinese words with pictures or English words. Let's do it together. 你好 Which one? Yeah, here. 名字叫 This one. 什么 Did you get it? One more sentence for you is 很高兴认识你 Nice to meet you. Literally, it means very happy to know you. Read after me, please. 很高兴认识很高兴认识你很高兴 认识你。Read the text of the video with me, please. 你好，你好，你叫什么名字？我叫婷娜。你叫什么名字？我叫旭东。很高兴认识你。很高兴认识你。Now listen to a conversation between two people. Two questions for you.
你好，我叫彼得，很高兴认识你。
你好，我叫玛丽，很高兴认识你。
你好，我叫彼得，很高兴认识你。
你好，我叫玛丽，很高兴认识你。
Okay, let's see the answers. The man's name, 彼得，彼得 and the woman's name, 玛丽，玛丽 Are you correct? That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you. Bye bye. 谢谢，再见。